Did you know just a few weeks of junk food could reprogram your immune system as if you've had an infection? And even worse, it stays this way even after you start eating healthy again. When researchers fed mice a standard Western diet, so processed food, high trans fat, high sugar, their immune system actually went into a sort of emergency mode. White blood cells acted like there was a bacterial invasion, pumping out inflammatory signals. And even when the mice were switched back to a healthy diet, the inflammatory signals stayed the same, with the junk food causing what seemed to be an epigenetic change, basically a memory that kicks in that keeps the inflammation signal on. And we know inflammation is a bad thing, but why is it really? So the real reason is because this inflammation has been shown to damage the gut barrier. It increases intestinal permeability, otherwise known as leaky gut. And it's this that is going to then allow more bacteria to move through the gut lining and trigger responses that will look very much like autoimmune problems or arthritis or IBD level problems. Added to the general fact that just inflammation within the gut is not a good thing for many reasons, including the IBD, but also just general stomach discomfort and inability to actually deal with foods or just have more food intolerances than you did earlier in your life. So this study can perhaps explain why, even if you've switched to a healthier diet, you might not be getting all of the results you want because of perhaps this maintenance of the inflammatory signals from the Western diet, or like I said before, from the actual damage you've done from the extended period of actually following this sort of poor diet. The healthy diet might not fix everything you want as quickly as you think it might do.